Hey guys, it's Rhea. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, it's Rhea in the cut. Like, what is up? In today's video, you guys will see me create this look. You know, creating this look. So yeah, check it out and let me see what's really up.
Holding my heart, I'm loving my way, loving it. You know my niggas get paid money. You know we stacking with ease, count this money, getting these peas. He's all in the sauce, dripping and saucing of course.
So as you can see, I am using the Morphe 35B palette, you know, the one with all the beautiful colours. The colours range from yellow to purple to blue to orange to green to purple. I already said purple, but it has all the colours in the world. Like, that's all I can say. So to prime my eyes, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You know, and then to blend it, I'm using the Teardrop Beauty Blender and the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray. Like, it's not every day. Damp your beauty blender underneath a tap. Like, sometimes you can actually use a setting spray to do it. So you make sure you get all your areas of the eye, you know, because you don't want to miss out any areas. And then just to set that concealer, you're going to be getting the RCMA translucent powder. Yes, honey, you're gonna get that powder. You know, gonna get another Teardrop Beauty Blender and you're just basically gonna tip it over, and you're just gonna blend that into your eyes, you know, twice or as many times as you want to. You're just gonna blend it, and then you're gonna get any form of brush. I use the multitasking brush from Real Techniques. You're gonna get that Technique brush and you're just gonna basically brush any excess powder away, as well as kind of like blending it in at the same time. You'll see how I do it. But yeah, you just basically make sure that every area is covered. This is so that like your eyeshadow won't really crease and nothing will get into the creases. So it's just like you have like a flat, smooth surface. And then you're gonna get that palette, honey. Now my brushes aren't washed yet. Don't fight me for that because I'm still using the same brush that I've used for the colors, so that's fine. Okay. So I'm going in with this cool orangey color. I'm basically using it as my transition color. Now I built this color up so it comes more popping, you know. You don't have to, but that's just what I do because I'm going for like a sunset type of vibey color. So yeah, I just get to building it up, you know, on both eyes, and then I go in with a darker orange, but I make sure that the darker orange is like I put it over my crease, like a little bit above my crease, but not completely covering the transition color. This is so that you can see like a difference between the colors. So to make sure that I blend out all the harsh lines, I go back in with the first color and I just blend over it. Then I go back in with the dark orange and I just blend it again, and I just keep on going back and forth, just to make sure I get the right colors that I want. I just keep on going back and forth with these brushes, you know, because there's no way that, you know, I'm gonna come through with a dirty unblended eye, you know. But yeah, I go in with this hot pink in my crease, like this one actually doing my crease, and I proper blend it out, blend it in my crease everywhere. But then I do go back with the dark orange and the cool color orange, just to make sure it's blended properly. Like, girls, there's no way, girls and boys even, there's no way you cannot blend this out. Like, you just have to keep on blending. Like, don't stop blending, keep on going through all the colors in the world to get that blending right. Like, there's just no way. Like, you see the way I just keep on going back and forth. Like, you know how many times I did this? I will spend like 30 minutes on eyeshadow. There's no, honestly I can spend up to 30 minutes to an hour on eyeshadow. But yeah, then you just make sure you get that pink again, and you put in that in your outer V and in your inner corner towards the center, not away from the center, towards the center. And then you just go in with the other brushes that you've used and legit just blend out any of the harsh lines. Now I'm going in with this matte green. As you can see, when I put the matte green on, it didn't really show properly, so I actually got the setting spray and I sprayed the brush, and then I put it on my eye, and you'll end up seeing that the green actually came out much better, much brighter and everything. But I did get fallout, which is a sad thing, but I feel like that's because of the brush, because the other brushes didn't have any fallout. It was only when I used this Real Technique brush that I actually got fallout. So I do believe it's the brush. So make sure you're using the right brush when you want to do your lid. And as you can see, I'm making sure to buff out the harsh lines so that there is actually like an ombre effect. So, you know, it kind of goes from orange to pink to almost like purple and then green. And you just making sure you're getting this all over your lid. As you can see, I did not use a cut crease for this. This is just because, like, if you don't have time to do a cut crease, you can just know that without using a cut crease, your colors will still pop. It's just as long as you use that setting spray, your colors will pop. It's not everyday cut crease. I'm gonna tell you that now. So once you put that shimmering color all over your lid, you go back in with the matte green, and then you basically put that in your inner corner and on your outer V, just to, you know, make sure everything's blended out properly. And then you basically go back in with the pink and making sure that the crease is properly, you know, blended out. So yeah, now I'm just keep on making sure everything's blended out properly and everything's looking well. So now that I'm basically done, I'm going to go and do the rest of my face, and I will be back. Okay, honey, I am back, honey. Oh, as you can see, I do not wear eyeliner. I just don't wear eyeliner. I don't think it suits me when I wear eyeliner. And also, I'm not wearing lashes. Like, not every girl has to wear lashes. Like, you only wear lashes when you want to wear lashes, and I just did not want to wear lashes. So yeah, this is basically the last finished look. This is a look when you don't want to use cut crease, when you don't want to put concealer again on top of your eyes. You can just still make sure that everything's looking popping without using a cut crease. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. And I'm saying, like, look, I should have still popping without even cut crease. Like, what's really going on? And I'm still posing, like, I'm still, like, you saw the looking, I'm coming out to the camera, like, shut up, this girl, what is wrong with you? They've already done seen the look, why are you still posing? You ready? Oh my god. And the camera kept on going out of focus and all this nonsense. Thank you, camera, you're the best. Hope you know the sarcasm, dickhead. So yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoyed that tutorial. Hope you guys really liked it. Yeah, that's basically all I got to say. But yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoyed the look. Smash that like button, like just smash it. There's no other way. Just press it, you know, click, you know, click, just click it. There's nothing wrong with clicking something, you know, just like subscribing, you know, subscribing and clicking something. It's just a subscribe, like, that's not that deep, you know. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Sharing is caring, like I always say. Sharing is caring. Follow me on my socials. Instagram Reea_, Twitter RIAAA LDN, so that's Reea 3 A's LDN. And then I've got Snappy Chatty, you know, Snapchat MAREEAXX. So yeah, Reea London is out. Peace, love, and blessings, y'all. I'm out. Be ahead.